What's up, guys? I just got out of work and it is currently not the weekend, yet I'm on my way to the track. Oh, and apparently playing chicken with somebody. Remember back when I said, and over here, we'll get to that later, and like another video. Well, this is that video. Over the years, Piedmont has made a lot of changes to cater to us drifters. They've added a ton, but a number of years ago we lost something, and that's what we used to call the advanced track. The reason I'm heading to Piedmont right now is because it's back, and it's called the Boss. And not only is it back, but it's better, and we're gonna test it out. And by we, I mean Shaky. I am just gonna point a camera at it and like shoot some video and make a cool teaser.
I don't know.
As you can tell by the black lines, it works. And they're all just kind of reminiscing now about all their runs and everything.
Like, bless his heart.
That was the line though, because it gave him enough room to transition.
Yeah, so we have the boss track now. These right here are what's gonna make it different from the advanced track that it used to be to the boss track that it is now. Oh, this room to run off. We didn't have that like 13 years ago. We just had this narrow thing. All right.
It's like selfie stick time.
Selfie stick time, yeah. Hey! So, testing obviously went well. No one died. What do you think?
Oh man, gets the Destructive Deaver's seal of approval.
Sweet.
We took it off about every corner you weren't supposed to. We didn't have the dirt laid out, so we made sure we jumped all those. We threw rocks at Gabe.
Yeah, he got hit in the chest.
I blew two sets of tires. I mean, I don't know. It was awesome to hot lap it. I'll just say that. The faster you go, the better it is too. So be ready for it. Be ready for it, because I had goosebumps every time I got out of the car. So it should be fun for y'all. We'll have 2 tracks going and a skid pad. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Sweet.
It's always been OG. To this day, the boss.
Like a boss!
And you will. And you will.
You heard it here first.
My hip's broke, but I still like drifting a lot.
I snuck in for a second.
All right, it is nighttime now. We've been here for a little while, and there might be a wall here one day. But anyway, this is going to be a fun course. I think everyone's going to like it. It seems like it's going to be really good for, of course, cars that have some power, and of course for cars that don't. And it's going to be a fun course to also just shoot some photos and some videos. But yeah, sorry if the camera's shaking too much. I am shivering. It's cold.